Okay, it's normal to lose between 50 to 100 hairs per day. Stress and certain health conditions may cause increased shedding of your hair, since there are 100,000 hair follicles on each person's scalp. You lose about 100 cells per day, 100 hair cells per day. Women tend to lose more hair strands than men. Approximately 40% of women lose extra hair every day because of the way they style the hair. Women are also more likely than men to experience periods of increased hair shedding due to life events such as pregnancy and menopause. So you're losing about 50 to 100 hairs every day, and hair grows about 1 centimeter a month. The phase in which a hair strand is growing is called the anagen phase. When something stops your hair from growing, it's called the anagen effluvium. During the catagen phase, the hair strand stops growing. This phase lasts 2 to 3 weeks. The last phase of hair growth is called the telogen phase. Hairs in the telogen phase are also called the club hairs. During this phase, a hair strand will be at rest as it prepares to fall out. Increased hair loss can result of stress or health conditions. Other things that can cause hair loss includes alopecia, female pattern hair loss, thyroid conditions, lupus, nutritional deficiencies, excessive washing, bleaching, brushing, heat styling can also impact how many hairs are falling out every day. Once your hair follicle has been stretched or split as a result of cosmetic hair treatment, the structure of the hair follicle is compromised. But don't stress out. On average, people lose about 50 to 100 hairs every single day. So when you see your hair in your drain, don't get a panic and don't go running to the doctor. Although myself as a doctor, I'll be happy if you come running into the surgery, but don't panic when you see hair in your basin, unless it's an unusual amount of hair loss. Then most certainly go see your dermatologist or your doctor. Stay well, look after yourself, stay mentally strong and healthy.